Hello students, welcome to my online class. I am your English teacher of LPM Public School that is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, this is a revisional video of class 3rd, chapter number 9, and in this video we are going to explain exercises of this chapter. Okay, in the previous video I have explained question answer of this chapter. Now let's start exercise of this chapter. Here exercise A, and exercise A is tick the correct options. First statement is Zebra's sister was called, and your options are option A stallion, option B palmino, option C mule. Students, here correct option is palmino because palmino is sister of zebra. Now the sentence is Zebra's sister was called palmino. Next, number 2. And second sentence is mule was known to be, and your options are option A restless and playful, option B lazy, option C stubborn and hardworking. Students, here correct option is option C because mule was known to be stubborn and hardworking. Okay, now next, third sentence is the king of the animal world called all the animals to decide. Option A, what to do with zebra. Option B, how the animal kingdom should be ruled. Option C, who would become the next king. Students, here correct option is option B, that is how the animal kingdom should be ruled. Now the sentence is the king of the animal world called all the animals to decide how the animal kingdom should be ruled. Now next, that is sentence number 4. Little zebra did not go for the meeting because, and your options are option A, his alarm clock did not ring. Option B, no one tried to wake him. Option C, he found it difficult to get up early in the morning. Students, here correct option is option C, that is he found it difficult to get up early in the morning. Now the sentence is little zebra did not go for the meeting because he found it difficult to get up early in the morning. Okay, so students, question answer I have explained in the previous video. Now next exercise, that is exercise D, and exercise D is match these words with their opposites. Students, you have to match the words with their opposite. So here first word is wild. Now tell me which word is the opposite of wild. Here tame is the opposite of wild. Now you have to match number 1 with option D, that is tame, because tame is the opposite of wild. Next, number 2, and second word is different. Students, here similar is the opposite of difference. So you have to match different with similar, that is option A. Next, third word is active, and here lazy is the opposite of active. So students, you have to match third number with option E, that is lazy, because lazy is the opposite of active. Now next, fourth word is subject, and students, you have to match subject with ruler, because here ruler is the opposite of subject. Next and last word, that is number 5, and word is presence, and you have to match with option C, that is absence, because absence is the opposite of presence. Now next, exercise E. And exercise E is circle the words that mean the same as the words given in capitals. Students, you have to circle those words which are the synonyms of the capital letter words. Okay, so students, here first word is romp, and your options are play, sit, sleep. Okay, students, here correct word is play. Okay, so in first number 1 you will circle first word, that is play, because because play is the synonym of roam. Next word is, that is number 2, terrified, and your options are old, wise, scared. Students, in the second number, the correct word is scared. So you have to circle the word scared. Next, third word is nudge. And your options are poke, ask, command. So students, in number third, correct word is poke, and you have to circle the word poke. Next, fourth word is argument, and your options are wish, quarrel, agreement. Students, in the fourth number, the correct word is quarrel. So you have to circle the word quarrel. Next, fifth word is miserable, and your options are poor, happy, unhappy. Students, in the fifth number, the correct word is unhappy. So you have to circle the word unhappy. Now, next exercise, that is exercise G. And exercise G is fill in the blanks with has or have. Means to say that you have to fill in the blanks with according to the present perfect tense. And you have to use helping verb has, have according to the subject. So, first sentence is an octopus dash 8 legs. Students, in the given space, you have to use has. Now the sentence is an octopus has 8 legs. Next, number 2, Charlie dash bought a new bicycle. Students, in the given space, you have to write has, and now the sentence is Charlie has bought a new bicycle. Next, third is I dash got 4 new pencils. Students, here you will write have, and now the sentence is I have got 4 new pencils. Next, fourth sentence is Punita dash a kind heart. Now the sentence is Punita has. You have to write here has. Now the sentence is Punita has a kind heart. Next, fifth is Sikha and Amin dash scored A plus in their science projects. In the given space, you have to write here have. Now the sentence is Sikha and Amin have scored A plus in their science projects. Next sentence, that is number 6. This week we don't dash a sports period. Students, here you have to write have. Now the sentence is this week we don't have a sports period. Next and last, that is number 7. We dash decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. And in the given space, you have to write have. Now the sentence is we have decided to meet at the restaurant at 1 o'clock today. Now next exercise, that is exercise H. And exercise H is fill in the blanks with was, were or had according to the subject. You have to complete this exercise with the help of these words, that is was, were or had. Here first is when I dash a baby, I had a pink coat. Students, you have to write here was, and now the sentence is When I was a baby, I had a pink coat. Next, number 2, we dash a tough time finding Mr. Lal's house. Students, here you have to write had. Now the sentence is we had a tough time finding Mr. Lal's house. Next, third is there dash 25 students in our class last year. And in the given space you have to write were. Now the sentence is there were 25 students in our class last year. Next, fourth is flowers dash blooming in this garden last spring. And in the given space you have to write were. Now the sentence is flowers were blooming in this garden last spring, sorry. Next, fifth sentence is I dash a pet squirrel when I dash a child. Now, the sentence is in the first place you have to write had. I had a pet squirrel when I was a child. Now, the sentence is I had a pet squirrel when I was a child. Next and last, that is number 6. And sixth sentence is Tim dash some milk and went to sleep. Now the sentence is Tim had some milk and went to sleep. Students, I hope this is clear to you and you have to learn all exercise of this chapter. And you have to practice all exercise in your practice copy. Now, thank you.